Okay, so back in Tennessee, working on some stuff. My elderberry survived. I need to get a shelf, and then I can set these guys up a lot better. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a whole thing later. But I am curious because I did have a slight accident and a whole bunch of dirt toppled over. And this right here is a, this is a turmeric. This is a turmeric deal that I was given. I was already kind of worried about it before. Are we seeing roots? Maybe? What are those? I don't know what those are. Maybe. Okay, wait, I just saw it. No, where'd it go? I thought I saw a bit of a root, or what I think is a root. That could be a root. No. Anybody have any, tips on turmeric? That could be that little white thing right there. Could be one. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I was supposed to have 2 in here. I'm trying to find it. I don't know where it went. Wait. No. Fishing's not going well. Shoot. Nope, wait. Found it. Haha, I found it. And then I have to figure out where the ginger is. Oh boy. I'm making a mess, but look at my elderberry roots. These babies are gonna have to be repotted very soon. Oh boy. That's gonna be fun. Also, I only found 1. So, there might be turmeric in my car. I don't know where it's at. I had an accident where, got a red light. Oh shoot. Got a red light and hit it way too hard because I was trying not to like go anywhere, and I forgot that I had plants in my car. Yeah. So, but that's okay. Everybody made it. Everybody has minimal casualties. Okay. So this sucker actually was patted down a lot better than that one because this one was on top of this one. Okay, let's see. See, that's a root. I don't know what that is. Okay, I want to just see. Maybe I don't mess with this. Like, it's pretty. Well, maybe we don't mess with it. Maybe we just don't mess with it. Where's the other one? Go hunting. There it is. Yeah, see, that one's also pretty pat down. You know what? That's fine with me. All right. So what I'm probably going to do is just put some water in here and maybe put saran wrap over this, and yeah. Oh, Lord. Mess. That's okay. That's what vacuums are for. All right. Hey, at least I got 1. I don't know where the second one went. I'm assuming Bandit did something with